Topic that I am going to discuss today is information system development. Okay, last time I have discussed about various applications of information system, and earlier we have discussed about what is information system. Okay, so as I have told earlier, what is information system basically? So information system is what means process, a combination of input, process, and output, and that converts basically data into information is known as information system. Okay, so today we will discuss about what is information system development. Okay, so if you talk about information system development, there are certain steps. Like first is system investigation. As I have told earlier, that first you need to understand whether what are the purposes behind to develop a system. Okay, to develop a information system. As you know that IT is an integral part of an organization, and it is a critical success factor for almost each and every business related aspects nowadays. Okay, so you need to understand whether what are the parameters, or what are the processes, or what are the various activities that you need to streamline with the help of information system. Okay, so you need to investigate, okay, whether what type of processes, what type of data, okay, you need to map through using this information system. So first you will investigate, okay, about the systems. Okay, so you will investigate about the system, means understand the problem, is what is the basic problem. As I'm giving you here example of CRM module. Okay, most of the companies that are dealing directly to the customer, they are working on CRM modules. So why they are adopting these type of modules? To get the data, to know their customer, to understand their understand the psyche of their customer, to understand the perception of the customer, to check what are the quality parameter about their product that they need to further enhance or improve to increase the customer experience, basically, to increase the satisfaction of their customer. Okay, so that you need to understand, means first you need to understand the problem, means what are the key performance area, what are the key processes that you need to map by using information system. So you need to investigate that. Okay, another step is system analysis. That is associated, means first you have understand the problem, means what is the basic problem, or what are the key areas that you need to map by using information system, and after that you will analyze it. What is analysis? Basically you are testing whether this idea is feasible or not, in terms of economics, in terms of technology, in terms of operations, in terms of strategy. You need to check whether you may whether you are going to incorporate it or not, whether what are the basic hurdles behind implementing such type of system. Okay, basic hurdles in terms of implementing this system, basic hurdles related with development of such system. Okay, so you need to understand solution, and what is the better way, means what is the better information system that you need to incorporate. As I have told earlier, in decision support system and expert system, there is a basic difference in between these two systems, as expert system is providing you a foolproof solution based upon expert advice. Okay, and if you talk about that decision support system, so they this system is providing you D1, the alternative decision 1, alternative decision 2, alternative decision 3, etc. Means what type of system you need to deploy, what type of system you are going to deploy. Okay, so you need to understand the solution, means what is the most feasible solution in different types of context. Okay, so that is system analysis. You will check feasibility analysis, you will check what would be the best solution that you need to implement in a industrial scenario, in a business context, basically. Okay, next is systems design. What is systems design? You need to select and plan the best solution. As I have told earlier, first you will identify problem, and after that you will understand what are the various alternative, and after that next is system design, means you will pick the best solution in in an industry context or in a business scenario basically. Okay, so system design, select and plan the best solution, means you will opt for what is the best solution that you are having in a certain business scenario. Okay, like I have told earlier that you if you are going to implement a CRM based solution, so you will look whether it is required or not. Okay, whether you are going to implement some inventory solution, whether you are going to implement some material management related software, okay, or information system, or something you are going to implement some finance and accounting related software, means what you want to implement basically, and what is key process that is means up to a large extent it is disturbing you, means what is basic problem behind that. Okay, means what you want to actually map, that you need to decide. So select and plan the best solution under different industrial context. Okay, so that is system design, means you will choose the best one, you will choose the best plan that you are going to implement in your organization to develop and implement and maintain a information system. Okay, so you will select and plan the best solution in your industry context. Okay, next is systems implementation. What is systems implementation? So you will place solution into effect, means as I have told earlier that before deploying a solution across your organization, you will check it on pilot mode. Okay, you will check pilot testing. What is pilot testing? Means first you will implement this solution in a phase, in a function, in a department, to check whether it is working optimally or not. Means you will implement, means place solution into effect. Okay, you will check it into one department, after that you will go to the another department, next further departments, and after that you will deploy this solution across your organization. Okay, and across the globe, as what type of company you are, so based on that you will deploy this solution in your company, basically in your organization. So system implementation means place solution into effect. Okay, and you will start implementing this solution by testing it on pilot test basis, and in a department, in a function, and after that you will implement across the globe within your organization. Okay, so that is basically systems implementation, means you will place that best solution that you have opted in previous process into your organization. You will adopt this solution into your organization, you will implement this solution into your organization, means you will make into effect. Okay, make it effective, you that information system. Next is system maintenance and review. After that, after implementing this solution, you will check whether it is working properly or not. Okay, you will check by deploying post implementation review. Okay, you will regularly or frequently conduct some audit. Okay, some internal audit would be there, some external audit would be there, to check the progress of that system, whether it is giving you profit or not, whether this system is providing the solution of that problem that you want to address or not. So you need to check it, you need to maintain that system, you need to continuously review those system to check the progress of that information system. So you will evaluate result of the solution. Okay, so this is the process of information system development. And here it is also given a feedback. Why this feedback is given? Because nowadays we are working on closed loop system. Why we are working on closed loop system is the reason that we are working on continuous improvement nowadays. Okay, lot many philosophies are there, like TQM is there, Kaizen is there, and all are focusing towards continuous improvement. Okay, what is continuous improvement? Means as per the business scenario, as per the industrial challenge, as per the customer's specification, you need to change your product or change your service as per the need, as per the requirement of your customer. So for that, to provide such type of product or service, you need to give a feedback. Okay, if you are feeling some problem in future in some system investigation, like your system has been outdated, okay, you are not getting the optimum information to use, so in that case you need to relook your system investigation. Means all these processes are based on feedback system. Means all these processes are in closed loop system. Means you may anytime check any of the process. Means whether you may check your system investigation, understand the problem, is it partially covered, or is it fully taken care by that solution or not. Means you will check, you will review that problem. Okay, so you will check that the solution that I am going to implement or that I have implemented is best to taken care of that problem or not. So that is basically feedback. Similarly, if you are checking some solution, and meanwhile if you found that another best solution is available in market, so you will look for deploying such type of solution. As I have told earlier, now most of the companies are adopting cloud based solutions. Okay, why they are adopting? Because they want to take in advantage of web enabled system. Okay, because each and every company is now looking towards globalization, looking towards being globalized. Okay, so for that you need to check your system performance, your organization performance across the globe on real time basis to ensure the performance is better in market, up to the mark or not. Okay, so for that you need to check, you need to understand your solution on continuous basis. You need to check whether your competitor is your competitor adopting a better solution than you, then you will planning to switch to those solution basically. Okay, so that is to understand the solution. Next, select and plan the best solution. So why to relook this option also? Because if you see that is there any change in terms of best solution, because best is an subjective approach. Okay, what is best, if something is best today will not be best for tomorrow. Okay, so you will continuously check what is best solution in your industry context, in your business scenario. Okay, and you will continuously update it time to time. Okay, you generally see that in software field, in information field, most of the apps and most of the websites or most of the features, they are continuously updating. Why they are updating? Because all these apps or websites or uh, these software solutions are working towards that closed loop system, or working towards that continuous improvement system. Okay, so that is that's why they are continuously updating their features, updating their functionalities, updating their offerings basically. Okay, so that you need to check on continuous basis. Similarly, place solution and into effect means you will check whether I am implementing it in a right way or not. Okay, and what is the better way to implement it, what is the better mechanism to implement it, that you need to continuously check. Okay, Similarly, evaluate your result of solution. So these are the 5 major steps of information systems development, and this is a closed loop system. Means you need to check all these steps on continuous basis. Okay, and if you found any change in any of the phase, then you will immediately implement it. Okay, so that is all about information system development. If you have any query or doubt regarding this, you may ask. Thank you.